In hospitals and factories, traditional monitoring systems struggle with too many devices, difficult data collection, complex deployments, no idle device alerts, and interference issues. So Minew is now presenting MSE01 and MSE02 equipment status monitoring sensors, MSE01 for large fixed assets, MSE02 tailored for portable equipment, eliminating all these problems. Simply attach externally, and instantly detect whether devices are off, in standby, or running, no circuit connections needed. Monitor asset status in real time can be now achieved through integration with mobile apps. Detect status changes instantly and receive anomaly alerts to enable smarter, more responsive asset management. Press the repair button to activate BLE beacon positioning, instantly map device location, and streamline maintenance workflows, drastically cutting your repair costs. Built-in anti-tamper alarm detects whether the sensor is securely attached to the equipment. If the sensor is removed or tampered with, you'll receive an instant alert, safeguarding continuous, secure equipment operations. As the motion-aware power-saving algorithms engage, the energy consumption curve flattens, lowering draw for at least 3 years of operation, supporting sustainability goals. Designed for medical environments, the sensors withstand routine alcohol-based cleaning, keeping hygiene top priority. From hospital equipment management to smart offices and industrial machinery, MSE01 and MSE02 fit every scenario. Seamless, reliable, and smart. Take the pulse of your equipment today.